System errors causing the Qt5DBus.dll crashes in Qt Framework. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's troubleshoot the gap and automate the repair.
I recommend the automated system scan for Qt5DBus to finish your setup in seconds. This is the Qt5DBus, the Qt5DBus module. It provides unmanaged routines for inter-process communication, IPC, via the DBus protocol, facilitating the data link between localized service manifests.
Now let's apply the fix by reinstalling the shared system library.
It's important to note that Qt5DBus.dll is installed as part of Qt Framework and isn't found in Windows by default. Reinstalling the latest official version of Qt Framework from the official source will restore the correct version of Qt5DBus to your PC.
If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library.
A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Qt5DBus file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again.
Rebooting was just the start. Now, let's apply the core fix in this third step. Feel free to pause the video if you need a second to navigate. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity.
The version of Qt5DBus.dll found on most download sites is often compiled for different hardware, which can cause your CPU to work harder or crash.
Instead of relying solely on manual updates, you can maintain your system environment using a professional maintenance utility.
If you're reviewing error messages or system alerts, the diagnostic kit linked below provides general information for managing Qt5DBus. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide helped Qt5DBus workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.